Dear investors and distribution partners, this is Ramesh Mantri back again, the CIO of WhiteOak Mutual Fund. Today I want to talk about the investment opportunity in large cap funds. How to think about large cap funds versus small and mid caps. Think of large cap as a large container ship and think of mid caps as smaller ships and small caps as smaller boats. In normal environments, the smaller boats tend to go faster than the container ship. But as we know in life, there are stormy waters and there are ferocious storms. In those environments, the container ship is the one that is steady, while the smaller ships and the boat face challenges in market. So that is why large cap funds, whether in difficult markets or in narrow markets or in flat markets, tend to outperform the mid caps and the small cap stocks. And it is assured in life that these storms will occur, and that is why it's important to have a portfolio that has a significant exposure to the large caps. Why do large caps or the big container ships do well in difficult and challenging market environments or the stormy seas? This is because the large cap companies have access to better resources, whether it is capital, strong balance sheets, quality of management, or the talent that is available in the companies. Also, challenging environments allow large companies to invest in innovative smaller companies when innovative smaller companies can't raise capital as the environment currently. So basically, the small ship takes shelter of the large ship in a crisis, and that is why the large companies can grow faster. Let me remind you that most large companies in India also have a number of interesting small ships, subsidiaries, joint ventures, unique businesses that can grow much faster than the core business. The question then emerges is, can you create a lot of value from the current large companies? The answer is yes. While the Indian large companies look large to us, among the top 100 market cap companies in the world, India only has 3 companies. Considering the fact that in a decade from now, India will be the 3rd largest economy in the world, we have a lot of room for our large companies to grow. When you compare our container ships, our large companies, while they are large in the Indian context, they are actually smaller in the global context. There are global companies where a single company's market cap is bigger than the entire sector in India. For example, whether you look at technology, whether you look at pharma, whether you look at auto. We are very excited to announce the launch of WhiteOak Capital Large Cap Fund, NFO. There are 3 reasons we believe WhiteOak can create value in the large cap fund category. The first reason is funds can outperform the benchmark only if they can create a significantly differentiated portfolio than the benchmark. And that is what WhiteOak strives to be. Remember, you cannot outperform the market by owning the benchmark. Number 2, WhiteOak's strong bottoms-up stock selection capability, backed by one of the best investment and research teams, backed by a proprietary analytical frameworks. And number 3, a balanced portfolio construction methodology, which aims to generate outperformance over a market cycle. Dear investors and partners, we look forward to your strong participation to make this NFO a huge success. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.